One of the funniest things people see me hanging out in the marina, especially in June when I'm fishing like the western end of Lake Erie, is what the heck I'm doing. So I'm filling this with lake water from my wash down. Not filling it, just putting a little bit of water in, and I'm going to show you a really good magic trick. Not that I'm a clean freak, but here's a little trick that's going to keep your boat clean and your fingernails clean, that if a customer offers you a sandwich, you're not going to turn it down because you got worms dirt all over you. I take my dew worms right out of the package, dump them in that bucket of water that I did, and I whisk them around, throw this in the trash, and what I do is I mix this up. All the dirt goes to the bottom, and what do I bring out? Nice juicy worms, no dirt. So you might have to rinse them a couple of times, but after that you're finished off with nice clean worms, no mess, no nothing. I don't dry them, I just put them on this wet towels, again lake water, pick off any little bits like that, take another wet towel and lay it right on top, and I make layers like that, wet, and I put some ice on it, and everything stays good. They'll stay all day. So when I put them in stacks of about 15 or 20, peel a layer off, use my worms, they're nice and healthy, and then go on to the next layer. I'll make about 8 layers of that, put 100 worms in a container, and they keep them in the cooler, and they're good to go.